Hello everyone, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be turning this into a smartwatch. Now you may be asking yourself, Mason, how are you going to turn this $20 Casio watch that you can buy at Walmart into a smartwatch? Well, I'm going to be using something called Ollee Watch. It is a little board that I have to open up the box for, of course, and it is a little module. I don't know how well you can see that. I will have a video, of course, of me making it, so you'll be able to see it better then. But hopefully it works out well, and it's not just some little dropship thing from AliExpress. But without further ado, let's jump into it. Alrighty, here we are with everything that I should need. I have two little trays here to put stuff on. I have a Phillips head and a flat screwdriver. I don't think my camera showed me that, but let's get our module out. And usually when you work on watches, you're supposed to put on like things on your finger so you don't get any like, I don't know, oil, grease, or anything inside of it. But I literally watched the guy raw finger this. So that's what I'm going to be doing as well. Let's see if we can get anything out of here. Nope, that seems like it's empty. And this is a little NFC chip that we will be putting inside of this as well. And here is that board. It is very small, but apparently very mighty. Now that I have everything introduced, basically what I'm going to be doing is popping the back off of this, taking out the module, setting the entire thing off to the side, and I'm actually going to be popping off the little screen here. I'm going to be putting the NFC chip onto the back of a light diffuser, and you'll see me do all of this, so I'm just explaining it. Then I'll pop it back together, slap this board in, basically hook it on up, put the battery and clip it into here, and then we should be good to go and see new life. But without further ado, we'll get started. Now that we are to the end of putting this together, we're going to put this last screw in together. I normally leave one screw out. It's just a little awkward with my phone here. But I'm putting this screw in. And the reason I leave screws out is so if I were to ever have a watch and somebody were to say, hey, that guy took it from me, I'll be like, well, how do you know that? Because I always take the screw out of it. But here we are all locked down tight, and here is our watch. It can do a lot of different things, different timers. I'm pretty sure you can calculate your heart rate. You can sense what temperature it is, which I think is absolutely insane. Different counters, flashlight. You can have a glow different colors. Which is absolutely wild. I'm not really sure what this is. I have no idea it's a game, and I lost. There's other games that I can play. I can sync it with my phone. Of course, change the time. But what a cool watch. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to blind you there. I'll toss that off to the side. Well, you may be thinking, Mason, why did you do all this? Why did you spend... I even forget how much I spent on this. I spent it, like, before Christmas, and it just got here in February because it's a brand new company. I spent it because this is now a smartwatch. I think I accidentally set an alarm when setting it up. But, of course, there's an app connected to it. I am able to track a whole boatload of different things. I can track my steps. I can set different alarms and timers. I can set more timers. And I can customize it in just about any possible way that I could want. And I think that's really cool. You take one of the most popular watches in the world, the F91W. Of course, this one's white. The popular the popular one is black, but still, it's more popular than your Rolex, your Omega, your Seiko, your Timex, whatever it is. If I recall correctly, this is the most sold watch in the world. And it's more accurate than your Rolex and your Omega as well. So keep that in mind. If you want something perfect, no flaw is seen in this guy right here. Now, the smartwatch part of it is something that some people will give or take. Most people will be like, wow, that's too much work. But I wanted to do something fun. I decided, it was like, hey, this is a nice project. I could make it and keep it on my wrist and just never have to worry about it again. I can play games on my wrist now. I can do different counters. I can track my steps, which is something that I never expected would be able to happen with a Casio of all things that wasn't specifically a smartwatch. But I've had a history in going through and modding different watches. But I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know. If you hated it and said, Mason, why did you waste my time watching this? Well, leave the dislike. I ain't going to fight you on that. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you come back and watch some of our other things as well.